Hello, fashion lovers! I have come again with different style inspirations. Hope you're gonna like this one. This one is very beautiful, made with organza. Wow, I love the color. Everything about it is just so amazing. You see this one, if you are into ready to wear, I think you should consider adding this one to your collection. You see this kind of dress, people will buy it, you will sell. Consider choosing your color so good. You see the way this color suits her, and it's kind of fabric that if you go back to the market you will still see it. But if you use flowered material, can order the same dress and you go back to the market and you will not find it. So if you are considering going into into ready to wear business, why not choose this kind of simple dresses, okay, and unique. It's simple to make, okay? So you see this one, I really love it, and I know that so many other people are going to love it. See this green dress, is it not so beautiful? Of course it's very beautiful and easy to wear and even simple to make also. You can choose just this kind of fabric that is easy to find. Sometimes you will make a dress and someone will say, okay, bring just exact material and everything. You go to the market and you not find the material, but if you use one color like this, you are going to find the same material. Thank you for watching. Bye.